Ki Doktor betebet na Apollo Guwahati, kinsawan chinong Shillong man Sumar, yaki Nongpang Apollo Trinity Medical Center, kebadan Hajan Goralin, Lower Nongrim Hills, lalim Kra Shillong, and Dobenai Naitung Arajar Aphosan. Doktor itu parna barwa na Apollo Hospital Guwahati, unsawan nakalap kuwait rim Naitung Arajar Aphosan, bat undan uduk kapor, kerwi bejemin step haduk kapor abeje nosngi. Doktor itu parna barwa untuk Sumari bapang syadam yaki bejinjar bener mensim kiba omtit bhau klong snam kiba dan jing blok haki tiet klong snam bat kiba sop kleng hau klong snam nagabentaban book appointment pila ban chu phone and WhatsApp hau number kendai saw prasan lai kendai hinyo lai bat pila ru ban chu book online appointment hau website www.apollotrinityshillong.com.
Are you or your loved ones facing breast health issues? Dr. Manjula Rao, breast specialist and breast surgeon from Apollo Proton Cancer Center, Chennai, will be available for consultation in Shillong. Date 5th August 2025. Venue Apollo Trinity Medical Center near Gora Lane, Lower Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Consultation available for breast lumps, nipple discharge, breast or nipple ulcer, breast cancer, breast conservation surgery, oncoplasty, thyroid tumor. Book your appointment now. Call 0364 295119 or 700-20333020. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, Asia's first and only proton therapy center.